Unang yalam kaliang persya jogi yon robar thawan ke jela Dr. Mukul Sangma ha kasiba a jog tayo uladawa ya ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bakadei benweng no madore ke jung ujor mokoduma persya ya karai jog Meghalaya Lokayukta bahukum tokit da ke CBI ya ki kam khayi be an ya ke jela kunthop e ke jing khayi be an yu do yong uang ba ka jing mudoi mokoduma jog sarkar kapen isai kedar ba ka sarkar ka tieng yo ka jing tokit CBI ka seimadan ya baro ki kambean jog sarkar bat ki kambam sap ki jongka laban kedo hang nie ba ka Meghalaya Lokayukta Dangshan kala hukum ya ka CBI bakan tokit iki kam khayi tu pok ka jela ki bakan thop iki jing khayi bean yu do yong hadien ka mokoduma bala mudoi do we nong song stong ubala keno aru iki jing don kti jong ki officer na ki tenat ba per kunthop iki tenat transport DMR sales tax custom bat ki we Hendrai ke sarkar jela kala persya ekani ke hukum bat kala mudoi kelas ka yeng kasari Meghalaya High Court persya yu nong mudoi mokoduma sa ka Lokayukta bat ka jing bisare kani ka kam kadang ya menta po ka yeng kasari halor kani unong yalam kaliang persya uloong ba ka sarkar jela kam dei satyaban mudoi persya ya ka hukum tokit CBI haba pen pauru bana kaliang ka kunhun liang persya dalelei kanam ailar ka sarkar bakan ya kani kelenti Udawa ba ka sarkar ka deben weng no mardor ke jing ujor mokoduma bat ban pen kloy no ke jing tokit jong ka CBI uang ba ka jing pen slam jong ka sarkar ke jing tokit ke dei tang ka buj ban pendu lut iki saki sabut ka ban plilat ya ki ba subadon kti ya ki kambam sam bakin lat da ka basung halor ka jing keli u Dr. Mukul Laong balada ka sarkar kam weng ye ke jing ujor kaliang persya kan sai kendu bat kan sa song perkhat ya ka ke sin jam bakan le
No, it was Chief Minister who was on denial mode all the time. It was not James Sangma. It was Chief Minister in the house, outside the house, every time. Whenever the attention was drawn, they were prompt. And he led from the front. So, this particular malified intent, criminal intent of the government to delay the whole process of investigation as ordered by Lokayukta by petitioning the High Court. Who is stopping it? Who is that powerful man who have the guts to petition against the order of the Lokayukta? For what reason? What is the intention? What is the purpose? Is it that the purpose is in the interest of the people? Is it that this purpose is in the interest of actually bringing in a corrupt-free environment of governance? Is it with an intent to actually really ensure that the mandate of this law is ultimately implemented in letter and spirit? So therefore, we will ensure that this petition by the state government before the Honorable High Court is withdrawn. And we will also see that the state government completes the whole process of appointment or other constitution of the Lokayukta in its full strength.
We are following a proper legal process, and all the actions that have been taken are based on proper legal advice that's been given by the EG and by the law department. So therefore, wherever we have found that there may be some concerns that are there, so we have ensured that based on that only we have taken the steps. So therefore, all our actions have been based on proper legal process and with proper legal background. We've seen the different points that are there. So therefore, all those points, if you go through it, you will find that there are many areas where there are provisions are not in line with the Lokayukta's office, in asking certain things. So therefore, based on those provisions only, that petition has been placed, that that the Lokayukta laws and the rules that are there don't permit certain aspects that have been mentioned in the different points mentioned that are Lokayukta.
The LO has also questioned the government's delay to constitute the full body of the Lokayukta.
No, the process is on. And the process is on. I think there should not be any concern from opposition, because I think during that time they didn't even want to put up the Lokayukta chairman. So I think it's, I don't think they should raise any concerns about that. when earlier they took years and years to just put up the chairman. We did not even take a year and a half, and we put up the chairman. Just shows the commitment that we have towards it. So the process is on. I don't think the opposition should mention about it. They should realize that during that time they did not even put up the chairman. This is
Hakabay day bagajing dawa pantray kami ka inaline permit apo ka jela. Uni unong elam kaliang persya jong ka yen robar thawan ka jela. Ula kentui ka sarkar jela bakaday ban bud di ni ka kam bat ban wat ru ikilat lenti kumnu ban penbore ka sarkar pedeng bakan menjur ka jing pantray kami ka inaline permit apo ka jela. Kani ka jing kren jong Dr. Mukul kalami halor ka jing let ya kendu jong ka sarkar MDA ya menteri ki kampo iyeng kari uba kular ba ka sarkar pedeng ka sabishare ka jing dawa inaline permit jong ka jela Meghalaya. Uang ba ka yender bar thawan ka jela da ka bai ka sur kala rai ban pentri kam ya ka inaline permit. Bat kani ka rai kam day ka bala shem na mar ka jing ya ki ya ka jela nrei halor ka jing yo i ya ki eki ba jah po ka ri hadien ka jing penlong an ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act arajar khat khandai bat ki jing kata jong ni ka an.